to prepare skin for absorption of
Hi! Welcome to AsterSpring Great Skin Solution. My name is Elaine and today I'm going to share with you a home DIY using professional products, innovations and technologies to help you achieve great skin solution at home. These days, I've been wearing face masks every day and that's been making my cheeks and jawline area feel quite irritated and red. It also feels quite tight. So, with this set, I'm able to help soothe and calm my skin and also make it feel more hydrated. I'll show you how easy it is to use this set. So, let's start! Cleansing is the first step in my daily skin regimen to prepare skin for absorption of high-performance products. To start, I will use pre-cleanse. This highly cleansing oil helps melt away all impurities and makeup. For my second cleanse, I'm using special cleansing gel. I like to power this up by mixing in daily microfoliant, which is a gentle scrub. Add water and mix them into a smooth paste. For best results, I use BT Sonic from the USA for 8 times deeper cleansing than manual cleansing. My skin feels and looks instantly brighter with a more refined skin texture. For stronger exfoliation to treat dull skin, I use Rapid Reveal Peel. Skin renewal tends to slow down as we age. Consistently exfoliating helps remove dull skin, improve my skin texture, and allow better absorption of products. This light gel helps to deliver maximum strength exfoliation to my skin. It gives my complexion instant transformation with Phyto Exfoliating Complex. Just leave on for 7 minutes, 1 to 2 times a week. My skin feels immediately smoother, brighter, and more lifted. To relieve my tired eye contour, dark circles, and fine lines, I use the Biocellulose Eye Mask, a 3-in-1 solution. This restores smoothness and firmness after 15 minutes of application. Stretch the sheet mask firmly over the eye contour. For instant brightness and nourishing action, I will use this refreshing Vitaltime Biocellulose Sheet Mask. It promotes instant recovery for my skin. This is such a quick pick-me-up treatment. Stretch mask firmly over face contour. No more tired skin and eyes. My skin feels deeply and instantly refreshed despite experiencing daily environmental and lifestyle stresses. To help promote deep repair and boost skin function amidst my hectic work schedule, I opt for Phyto Stem Cell Serum. This serum powers up skin rejuvenation. To soothe and treat sensitive skin and restore skin comfort, I layer Calm Water Gel on after toner. This gives my skin a great deal of hydration up to 105%. Plus, it repairs my skin from sensitivity attacks. I also need all-day protection from a good moisturizer. Skin Smoothing Cream helps keep my skin hydrated up to 48 hours and protects my skin microbiome. SPF is important to protect our skin against harmful UV rays and blue light exposure, which can accelerate skin aging and pigmentation. To finish my home care routine, I will use Invisible Physical Defense, a non-chemical soothing sunscreen. My skin feels absolutely grease-free, non-sticky, and with no visible patchiness. For optimal results, it's always advisable to go back to our AsterSpring centers at least once every 2 weeks for professional skin treatment. This will help you achieve great skin health. So, it's simple, right? If you're interested to get this set, you can visit any of our AsterSpring centers or dermological kiosks and you can find your nearest location in the description link below. Like, share and subscribe, and remember to click the bell button to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. See you soon! Bye!